Imagine a storm so massive that it could swallow the entire Earth with room to spare. Now picture that storm raging continuously for at least 350 years. Bizarre, right? Welcome to Jupiter's Great Red Spot, the longest-lasting and largest storm in our solar system. And today, we're diving straight into its swirling chaos to uncover its mysteries. Let's begin. First, let's talk size. The Great Red Spot isn't your everyday storm. It is an anticyclonic storm approximately 16,350 kilometers wide, or for reference, about 1.3 times the diameter of Earth. That's right, if Earth were a basketball, the Great Red Spot would be a yoga ball. However, over the last 100 years, astronomers have noticed something peculiar. It's shrinking. Back in the 1800s, you could fit nearly 3 Earths side by side into its expanse, but now just over 1 Earth fits. So, what could be causing this colossal storm to gradually contract? Scientists are still investigating, but one theory suggests it's losing energy due to interactions with other storms and jets in Jupiter's atmosphere. Jupiter is nothing if not drama-filled. But what causes this alien monstrosity to exist in the first place? The answer lies in Jupiter's bizarre atmosphere. Jupiter, as you may know, is a gas giant, made predominantly of hydrogen and helium, with no solid surface. Its atmosphere swirls with powerful winds, reaching up to 540 kilometers per hour. That's twice the speed of a Category 5 hurricane on Earth. These winds interact with the planet's rapid rotation and produce belt-like bands that circle the planet. The Great Red Spot emerges at the border between two of these belts, specifically in Jupiter's southern hemisphere, where varying winds collide and spiral into an immense vortex. And here comes something even stranger: the storm's color. The Great Red Spot isn't always the same shade of red. It shifts between hues of orange, brown, and occasionally beige. Why? Well, the answer could lie in what's called photochemical reactions. Researchers believe Jupiter's ultraviolet light interacts with chemicals in its upper atmosphere, like ammonium hydrosulfide, to produce its red and orange shades. But curiously, we don't know the exact chemical composition of the storm. So in some ways, this enormous storm is still a gigantic mystery written in red. Just imagine how alien it would feel to gaze into its angry red core while lighter gases swirl around in streaks like brushstrokes on an artist's canvas. Now here's an eyebrow-raising fun fact. The Great Red Spot is heating Jupiter's atmosphere. Yep, you heard that right. In recent decades, scientists discovered that temperatures above the storm are hotter than expected, comparable to Earth's auroras. It turns out the storm might be beaming energy upward via acoustic or gravity waves, heating the upper layers of the atmosphere. Essentially, this storm doesn't just look intense, it radiates intensity. Jupiter truly gives new meaning to the term hot topic, wouldn't you say? However, the Great Red Spot isn't just fascinating today, it's an interplanetary time capsule. The storm has been observed for at least 350 years, and some researchers even theorize it's older. It was first spotted in 1665 by Italian astronomer Giovanni Cassini, but we can only trace it precisely back to 1830 when drawings from telescopes confirmed its presence. Imagine what it survived: asteroid collisions, solar radiation, and the endless churn of Jupiter's chaotic weather. Yet, as unimaginable as it is for us Earthlings, this guy just keeps spinning unfazed. That said, don't get too attached to the Great Red Spot. Astronomers believe it might not last forever. That shrinkage we mentioned earlier? It's leading some scientists to predict that the storm may dissipate within the next couple of centuries. So, when we look up at Jupiter today, we're witnessing a piece of history that future generations might only read about. And before we wrap up, here's one last goosebump-worthy twist. Some researchers argue that if we were able to fly a spacecraft into the Great Red Spot, we might find unimaginable turmoil beneath its gaseous facade. A roiling mix of storms within storms, twisting vortices, and possibly even glimpses of Jupiter's mysterious deeper atmosphere. Would you dare to journey into the vortex? The Great Red Spot isn't just a storm, it's a symbol. It represents the mysteries of the cosmos, the beauty of nature on a titanic scale, and how much we have yet to learn about the universe. So next time you gaze at Jupiter through a telescope or see its swirling red eye in a documentary, remember that you're looking at one of the most incredible and enduring phenomena in our solar system. Curious for more? Check out more of my long-form videos now on my channel Science Spark. This outstanding video was crafted by VidWiz. Want your own exciting videos for fun or profit? Click the link in the description to get started today.